Hello students, welcome back. In science, we are going to start chapter 3, food, health and hygiene. Okay, now come to the chapter. You must have heard your parents telling you to avoid unhealthy and junk food and to eat healthy food to remain fit and fine. Parents often quote, you are what you eat, which means that if you eat healthy, nutritious food, you will be healthy and happy. If you eat more of junk food, you will remain unhealthy and weak. In this chapter, we will read about health, food hygiene and diseases. So, आपके parents अक्सर ये बोलते हैं that you should eat nutritious food, eat healthy food, isn't it? Because healthy food is good for our health, for our fitness, okay? और diseases भी नहीं होते अगर हम लोग healthy foods खाते हैं तो. And junk food is very dangerous, okay? Now come to the next part. We are going to study separately about different things, that is health, then food, then hygiene, and at last we will learn about diseases. Now the first part is health. The term health refers to the state of complete physical and mental well-being. It means that any person who is physically fit and mentally sound is considered to be healthy. Anyone can become healthy by following these steps. So health means what? A complete physical and mental well-being. मतलब a person who is physically and mentally fit. मतलब both physically और mentally अगर कोई person fit है, that person we can consider as healthy. Okay? So और हेल्दी रहने के लिए कुछ स्टेप्स हम लोग को फॉलो करना होगा. ओके, कोई भी पर्सन हेल्दी हो सकता है इफ दे फॉलो दिस स्टेप्स. नंबर 1, ईट अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट, एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली, बी क्लीन एंड कीप योर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन. 2, take proper rest, protect yourself from diseases. So first of all, to keep ourselves healthy, we have to eat a balanced diet. Okay, and what is balanced diet? We are going to study that. Okay, it means we are going to study it later. Now number 2, exercise regularly. Exercise is very important for our body fitness, isn't it? Number 3, cleanliness means we should be clean. Not only we should clean our house, we have to clean our surroundings also, because diseases can spread from the environment, from our surroundings also, isn't it? So we should clean both our house as well as our surroundings. Number 3, take proper rest. Rest is also important to be fit. And at last, protect yourself from diseases. Means you have to protect yourself. If the person is sneezing, just cover your face. Okay, like this we must protect ourselves from diseases, and in that way we are going to be healthy. Now food is one of our basic needs. Without it we can't survive. So as we all know, the water is very important for our health. Similarly, food is very important for our health, isn't it? We cannot survive without food. Means कोई भी person अगर 1 दिन से 2 दिन खाना ना खाए, 3 दिन नहीं खाए, that person may become sick and even die also, isn't it? So food जो है हम लोगों के survive, हम लोगों को मतलब life रहने के लिए, हम लोगों को जीवित रहने के लिए बहुत ही important है. Food contains nutrients which are the building materials of our body and provide us energy for growth and other activities. So food में क्या होते हैं? Nutrients होते हैं, और nutrients जो है हमारी body के लिए बहुत helpful होते हैं. ये body की growth हम लोग को energy provide करता है. Okay, these nutrients include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. To remain healthy, we must eat food that contains all the nutrients in the right amount. That is, we must eat a balanced diet. So what is given? Nutrients में क्या क्या होते हैं? Carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals सभी कुछ होते हैं. और if we to remain healthy, हम लोग को अगर healthy रहना हो तो हम लोगों को ये सभी nutrients को right amount और balance amount में खाना चाहिए. Okay, and that means the balanced amount of all the nutrients are called balanced diet. means सभी nutrients को अगर हम लोग regularly थोड़ा थोड़ा खाते हैं, that diet is our balanced diet. Clear? Now come to the next part. We are going to study about carbohydrates. We are going to study elaborately about different nutrients. Okay. Now carbohydrates, they give energy to the body. Carbohydrates can be obtained from potato, rice, bread, cereals, sugar, fruit, etc. So carbohydrate is what? Carbohydrates are energy giving food, isn't it? We get energy. And means the food that are rich in carbohydrates are potato, rice, bread, ये सभी जो है इसमें carbohydrates पाए जाते हैं. Okay, now fats. They also give us energy, but more than that given by carbohydrates. Fats को भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं energy giving food, but ये जो है carbohydrates से ज़्यादा energy provide करता है. Okay, fats and carbohydrates together are known as energy giving food. और fats और carbohydrate दोनों को ही हम लोग कह सकते हैं energy giving food. The sources of fats include butter, meat, cheese, vegetable oil, nuts, milk, cream and ghee. So कौन कौन से फूड में फैट्स होते हैं? बटर, चीज़, मीट, वेजिटेबल ऑयल, ये सभी में फैट्स होते हैं. ओके, नाउ प्रोटीन्स. These are essential for the growth of our body. They are also known as body building food. Some sources of proteins are eggs, fish, milk, cheese, pulses, soya beans and meat. So proteins क्या है? Proteins जो है वो body building food है, means ये growth में help करता है. Okay, and it is good for and it is very essential for growing children. जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं like you all, आप लोगों को like you all need proteins very much, isn't it? Proteins जो है body को proper way से grow करने में help करता है. So आप लोगों को egg, fish, milk ये सब खाना चाहिए. Okay. Now vitamins. Vitamins help our body to fight diseases and thus keep it fit. There are different vitamins that are needed for different purposes in our body. Green leafy vegetables, fruit and fish are different sources of vitamins. Minerals help in the formation of teeth, bones and blood. Minerals can be obtained from milk, fresh fruit and vegetables, eggs, etc. So vitamins क्या होते हैं? Vitamins जो है वो हम लोग को diseases से fight करने में help करते हैं. Means अगर हमारे body में vitamins proper way में vitamins present होंगे, then हम लोगों को disease से protect कर सकता है. Okay? और different vitamins जो होता है वो different purpose के लिए help करते हैं. Okay? जैसे green leafy vegetables है, fruit है, ये सभी में vitamins बहुत पाए जाते हैं. और मिनरल्स क्या होता है? मिनरल्स का क्या फंक्शन है? मिनरल्स जो है वो टीथ, बोन्स और ब्लड ये सभी के फॉर्मेशन स्ट्रेंथ में हेल्प करता है. ओके, और मिनरल्स कौन कौन से फूड में होते हैं? मिल्क, फ्रेश फ्रूट, वेजिटेबल्स, एग्स. सो दीज आर द फूड्स दैट आर रिच इन विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. ओके, as discussed in the previous chapter, previous class, beside these 5 nutrients, roughage and water also form an important part of our diet, isn't it? Means nutrients तो है 5, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, but roughage और water भी है जो हम लोगों को डाइट में इंक्लूड है. ओके, और ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट हमारे बॉडी के लिए. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज एक्सरसाइज. Regular exercise is an important part of staying healthy. Means अगर हम लोग को healthy रहना है, if means for a healthy body, we should exercise regularly. Okay. The benefits of exercising regularly are number one, development of stronger muscles and bones. Bones और muscles जो वो strong होते हैं if we exercise regularly. Second, improvement in the blood circulation of the body. मीन्स बॉडी में जो ब्लड सर्कुलेट करता है फ्रॉम हार्ट टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, ये सभी जो सर्कुलेशंस होता है ये सभी अच्छे से होता है. ओके. नंबर 3, टोनिंग अप ऑफ बॉडी मसल्स एंड दस मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द बॉडी इन अ गुड शेप. ये क्या करता है, मसल्स को जो टॉन करता है एंड बॉडी को अच्छा शेप देता है. ओके. मतलब बॉडी फिट रहता है इससे और बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर्स जो वो भी अच्छा होता है इफ़ वी आर exercising regularly. Apart from these, there are a number of other benefits of exercise. It prevents many diseases like diabetes and heart problems. So, exercise तो body को fit करता है, maintain करता है body structures and all. But beside this, it also prevent us from diseases, isn't it? It also protect us. Playing outdoor games and doing yoga are good ways of keeping the body fit. गेम्स जो खेलते हैं आप लोग भी खेलते ही होंगे, तो गेम्स और योगा ये सब भी जो है बॉडी फिटनेस के लिए हेल्पफुल है. ओके. सो टुडे आई विल स्टॉप टिल हियर. In next class I am going to do the next part. Okay, I will be doing the next part in our next class. Thank you.